Welcome once again to Ask Survive. Today we will show you how to set level in ArchiCAD or story. Go to your elevation tab. This is where the works begin. If you open it, you will see plus or minus 0, ground floor. The next one is 3. This is the default setting. So if you want the height of each of your level, that's from the ground level to your maybe overhead course or beam. If it's a story building, you want to change the value. What you do is you place your cursor on this line, then right click for option, then go to edit story level. Then you place your cursor again on this and drag up if you want to increase, or if you want to reduce, you drag down. So let's say we want it to be 3,500 millimeter. Then you hit enter. Then you click OK. Your setting will effect. You see? So if you have an existing wall already, it will follow the height of your story. That is how ArchiCAD is designed. Your wall follows the height of your story. Though you can manually reduce the height of your wall here. There is another way to change your story level. You go to your navigator here. Then on any of the levels, you right click. Then go to story setting, or you can use a shortcut Ctrl+7. Then you click. So now, how you go about it is you just editing the figures here. If you check, we have the number, the name, which you can edit, the elevation, the height to the next. So now what you do is, if you have multiple stories you are working with, you're already working on, and then you want to change it, and it's going to take you time to start changing it one by one there. So what you do here, you just come here, you input here. So let's say we are going to work with 3,150. Then you go to the next one, you input 3,150 mm. The next one, 3,150 millimeter. You see, it's going to affect. So if you insert above, it will be repeating the same figure. So it's going to be adding it with the figure. If you insert below, it will be inputting with that same figure. Then you click on OK. You see, it's already affected.